How to fix message status fail on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually fix if Instagram says that the message status fail error. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, there could be a couple of reasons why this could be happening, and there are a couple of ways on how you can fix it. If you open up Instagram and it says message status fail, even when you try to simply load it, or when you go to someone's profile, or you try to simply chat with somebody, then there are a couple of reasons why. Very first thing I would always recommend you to check is whether or not Instagram is actually down, because if Instagram servers are itself down, you will not be able to do anything from your end. All you can do is simply wait until Instagram fixes this. So what we will do is, in order to check that, we will go ahead and then open up our browser, and then you could simply go to downdetector.com right over here, or downdetector.net, and simply check if that fixes the issue. Because if you go to downdetector.net and then you go to Instagram, it's going to show over here, let's say that it was stable, and all of a sudden if you see a huge spike, it means that the number of reports have relatively increased. And if many people are reporting it about the same issue, then it means that Instagram is definitely facing some kind of errors on their side as well. So in this case, all you can do is simply wait to update your app and then check if that fixes the issues. So you have to constantly check for update, because it's an error from their side itself. So I would recommend you to go ahead and then search for Instagram. If there is an update button next to the Instagram app, I would always recommend you to update your Instagram app to the latest version, because most likely that would also fix the issue. Last but not least, I would also recommend you to simply actually clear your message statuses and so on. So waiting also up to 24 hours would fix this issue, because if it's an account issue, then waiting up to 24 hours can usually fix this. But if it's the application issue, then you can go to storage, and then you can tap on clear cache, and then you can also go ahead and clear the data. You might as well need to relog into your account all over again in order to get help with this problem. And hopefully this video answered your question. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.